Okay, we did the Clifford 3105 on this Honda 1991 Honda Civic. You know, this has got to be the cleanest. I'm talking about the cleanest collectible that I've done as far as the age. It's a 1991. I mean, if you look at this car, look how clean these panels are. This car is like brand spanking new. It's unbelievable. Somebody had it up in Canada, and the customer bought it from a seller up there. You know, look at these carpets, these seats. Talking about this car, it even smells brand new inside. It's unbelievable. It's got about 12,000 miles on it. Okay. Basically, tomorrow on the alarm, you're gonna hit lock. Somebody opens any of the doors, it fires off. It doesn't have any power lock, so it's not gonna lock and unlock your doors. Yeah, it's got the flashing light, start and kill. It comes with 2 remote controls. Panic button is down here. If you hold it down, it will fire off the alarm. Somebody banging the window, of course, it would trip the alarm. Comes with two fobs. It's got the antenna on the top right there, which has got the LED lights that lets you know when the alarm is on. He's going to go ahead and knock out this motor and put a racing motor and all that. So yeah, just wanted to do a little video. You know, when I used to do these cars back in the days, we didn't have these phones that you can record or anything like that. So here you have it. This is a 1991 Honda Civic.